So, hi everyone. In the last meeting and session, we learned how to rearrange and optimize our website for mobiles as well. So, for this session, we will be doing content writing, services page and project space, and some multimedia elements and forms. And the next session, which will be the last session, we will be learning how to link our social media accounts and add a blog page, as well as I will also be giving you guys a link on how to connect a domain, or just a simple one, so you can understand how to get a domain from GoDaddy and then go and connect it on Wix, and that is going to be it. All right. Starting with content writing. So I'll be sharing my page. So this is one of our websites that we created. So how to write contents for certain pages? All right, let's see. We'll add a page. We will add a projects page. This is basically the project's editor, or what the project is, the description, the project image, and everything. So that is how you can go about it. And this is the editor. You can add an item from here. That is, give it a title, give it a URL, then write a description about, give one image or two or anything of that sort. Then project image, text, info description, long description, anything of that sort. Save this. All right. So what this, you can see, you can create a page. You can always add another page that is from the manage pages, like we previously created just right now. So you can go back to the video and understand. Go back 2 minutes, and you can see how I created the project page. And then when you have to edit it, you can just simply change image from here and everything. All right. So our project page is completed. It's not an issue. What to write and not. You can change your media from here. Let's say I want to add this. Then the preset image of the, it's basically in section and cell. So what the image has been. Otherwise, if I remove this, then the image will be this. Let's delete it. This is background image of every project. Adding another page, I'll add a blank page to help you guys understand. Um, so we start by adding an element or section, basically. So this is, let me check if we have anything. Section. So this is one section. This is one of the templates for services page. You guys can add or edit it accordingly and get some inspiration from it. Let's do it our simple only. Services we provide, or our services. Let's do what we offer. So here you can, or this, background and cards. So, so here I can double click and edit text. Let's say we want to add another text here, some heading. So click on edit text, undo it. And the bulb button helps you ask a question, can I edit the text? Say clothing brand. What brands are adding a physical product. You can just understand how to do this stuff from Wix as well. Workshops, then your dynamic content, animation effect, click, scroll, loop, mouse effects, hover. Everything is editable. So you can edit text, any paragraphs you want to add, anything. The website, I'll show you how to do this. Use AI as well because it got a little complicated in that. I'll show you on this total website. Okay. So here we can do the Ask Arya option to generate a new design, improve section text. So we'll try for improve section text. So that is how you guys can create content for your website. Otherwise, you would have to go to an external link or an external AI or some external researchers that then you have to change the format and incorporate it into the website. But rather, you can just write a few keywords and let the website do the rest. So let's say this is a section I want to change the text for. So let's say improve, change to professional. Make text shorter. So you can see that Ask Arya works here, and then improve text. So basically, you guys learned how to add a blank page, how to add a project page. So for any website wherever you have to add pages, this is your product page, category pages. You can manage pages, and then you can add it, subtract it, delete it, settings, category, thank you page. You can add a page from here. Here you can see the services page as well. Depends on what kind of brand you have and what kind of services you want to provide, and let your customers know what kind of services you do provide. So there are a lot of formats like classic, creative, zigzag, list, minimalist, visual, overlapping, basic. Then for projects we have, so for projects we have basic, side by side, single project, showcase, minimalist, and masonry. So that totally depends on what kind of business you have, what content do you want to showcase. And for content, you can either use the AI this Wix platform have, and the more you guys explore and how that AI works and how to incorporate it in, that is how it works. My laptop and the network is lagging a bit right now. That is why I'm unable to show you the AI works. But it simply ask Arya, or let's say whenever you edit a text or want to edit a text, it will always show you that edit it with AI and refine it, reform it, and then you can add Grammarly as well to make sure that your grammar is correct, your sentence forming is correct, everything. So Wix is totally editable whenever you want to edit something. It is completely editable, and for content writing, we can do that. I'll show you some multimedia elements that you guys can add, like let's say some images, that is like, and some text and icons button, themed buttons, image buttons. So these images are actually buttons. For buttons, you just have to link it to the top of the page, some external URL, some different page. Then there's iTunes button, your documents button, pay button, PayPal button. So you can. There's a lot of apps also available in Wix where you can just add that app, and your purchase starts and your tabs get made easily. There's a plenty of apps for team, testimonials, welcome. So this is basically stuff you guys add in the starting or middle of section, anyway you want. Decorative. So some shapes, arrows, horizontal, vector art. Vector are some of the multimedia elements. that you can add to make your website look more presentable, more aesthetically pleasing, captures the eye. You can add some videos, video mask. You can mask your video in some certain shapes. See, like this works. You can see how it works. Just flowing on the back of your hand. Same goes with trees. This the heart shape, but and you can totally edit what video is running in the background. Transparent video. This video is basically it's like a sticker, but in a video form, it actually moves and turns around everything of that sort. See, like this horse is running, it's rotating. Same. Now for the text mask, we used to do first video mask. Now we can actually mask a text as well. See, if you look closely enough, you can see that the background of the text is moving. So you can just put that in. You can change what text you have, and then add another video in the background. Same goes for this hello as well. Then these untold stories. And you can add some related apps as well, which help you actually find it more, and depends on what kind of content you want to add, which requires the stuff. Then you can add a box, container boxes, hover boxes, tabs. Then these galleries, pro galleries, straight galleries, slider galleries, and you can do slide carousel. Again, there are many apps. Whenever you actually add an element, you can see some related apps according to it, which help enhance your performance. This is your menu, contact and forms. In the next video, we will also understand how forms work and how blog and social media work as well. So this is some video and music. You can add interactive. You can add some pop-ups like sale banners and everything. Welcome, subscribe, promotion, our tabs. It changes our repeaters, calendars. Also, you can add. Then there's a list, the one, two, three, and this how it goes on. Embedded code. This is for when you want to add something that is not given in the Wix features, then you can code as well. So one is build low dev mode. That is one of the most popular ones. Then you can just link your socials as well. That will also we will be doing in the next session. And some payments, CMS, uh, and start a blog as well. Store. This is your store. You can just anything you want to add from the elements. Just make sure you just drag and drop it wherever you want to place it. And there's a lot of things and some related apps as well for marketing, everything. Simplify shipping and saving, currency converter, add to cart button, product widget. So every category has separate subcategories, and you can see what all templates you already have and make it accordingly customizable. You can take online bookings. You can add a Google Calendar, this comparison page, correct team, staff members. You can also schedule events, and there's another app for that as well. Then for restaurants, you can actually put restaurant menus and restaurant orders and table reservations also. That can be also be done. And then for the community, to get to know, to showcase what people you have in your company and how do you want to display them. Then there's this members list, login bar, memo menu, groups, online programs, and then file share and some custom designs if you want to do some. And then this is the section part. You can add sections according to whatever your brand is suiting for, like store, booking, subscribe, testimonials. Maybe if you are working as someone for government purposes, or you want to do something for the nature, then you can show testimonials, or a client, or basically your business you want to showcase what your clients are saying about you. Then also you can use a testimonial. Then services, promote. If you don't want to add a services page, you can obviously always add a services section. which you can add in your about page, let's say, and you can show what all services you guys offer. Then this contact, promotion. This is a sites page and menu. This pattern, the green one for now. Then site menu, sign up and log in, store pages, product category, cart, members area. Then this is for your site theme. You can change the color theme, text theme, background, page transitions, and Wix App Market. As I said, that there are a lot of related apps when you go for the ad elements also. So you can just search any app you want. Let's say I want to do some text related work. So I'm pretty sure I'll get a lot of apps option. Wix blog, text site builder, everything. So it's 3D animated text, buttons, tulips, stop right clicks for content. That is how it works. In marketing, selling online, there's a lot of stuff. Old Wix forms, Wix members gallery, Wix pro gallery, Wix stores. Then this is your for media purposes. Do upload your media from directly from Instagram or something of that sort. Photo studio to enhance and edit your pictures. Let's say you have a picture, you want to crop it or add some filter in it so that it looks more vibrant. You can go to the photo studio and do that. Then you can create your own videos as well. Shutterstock images, and then there's CMS for content collections, landing pages, and then there's marketing and SEO, like we previously covered, search engine optimization and GEO, Google engine optimization, email marketing, it's for automating emails, Google ads, Facebook ads, search engine optimization, social media marketing, marketing integrations. So basically, Wix is a one-stop platform where you can actually track and trace every bit of your company and really supports it. So that sums up Wix as a platform. And I hope you all learned how to create a services page, how to create a projects page, and how to edit it as well. And content writing like Ask Aria, or you can use the apps as well. And that is it for this. Thank you so much.